So if you're watching this video, you are probably a chiropractor, or maybe you're owning a chiropractor business, right? You're a small business owner and you are looking for a way to make some kind of extra money. You know, I know personally people who are chiropractors, and during the COVID, when COVID hit, right? Many of them, not only them, but many of those people also struggled with their business. Why? Because of course there were no clients, and less clients also mean less profit. So lots of people were asking me, what is one of the better ways that I could supplement my income, that I can make extra income, maybe working from home, online. And one of the best way is called digital marketing, or let's call it affiliate marketing. So what is that? Basically, this means that you are promoting other people's product for huge commissions. Let me give you a simple example. Let's say that person A has an affiliate network, right? And they have the product, they have a supplement, for example, right? They have a high quality supplement, and you as an affiliate, you can get paid 90% commissions for each sale of this supplement. Now you don't have to do any customer support, you don't have to do any delivery, you don't have to do any selling, and you don't have to do any telling. Why? Because you can use the power of technology. So what is that? It's called Google Ads, it's called paid advertising. Google Ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, right? So basically you don't have to show your face and your name. You can basically set up a mini website, like we call it, done for you website, and then you can send traffic, basically audiences, visitors, remember Google ads or Facebook ads, straight to your website, where the person go through this process and purchase the product, and you as an affiliate, you get the big commission, the front end of the pie, let's call it like that, right? Now you're maybe asking yourself, okay, maybe it's complicated or confusing for me watching this video. What is all this affiliate marketing about, and how it works, and how I can profit from that, and how much money do I have to invest, and do I have to invest a lot of time? And this is a good question, because if you're doing anything, you have to ask yourself how much time you will have to invest. It's not only about the money, right? You can always get more money, but time you cannot get back. So this is a great question and smart question if you're asking yourself this right now as you're watching this video, right? And let me tell you this, with affiliate marketing, one of the best thing is that it's called kind of like a freedom business model, because you can do it from anywhere and you dictate how much time you want to put into this, right? You can put it 1 hour per day, you can put 1 hour per week, it's entirely up to you, right? And one of the best ways that you can get better results and go through speed bump is to have someone to coach you or mentor you through the way, right? To show the ropes step by step, and to get it also done for you and done with you. So if you want to know exactly how to get it done for you and with you, and how to get these kind of results with affiliate marketing, then click the links below this video, reach out to me on social media, leave it me an email or WhatsApp message. You can even leave me a phone call and we can talk about it. So again, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.